잠깐만.
준비됐어?
준비됐어. Why is your car seat so low? How can you even see over the dashboard? 무서워. 좀.
할 수 있어.
할 수 있어.
가자.
시작.
조심해.
알았어. 천천히 갈게. It's only like a 10-minute drive, right?
Yeah, it's only 10 minutes. Okay.
Only 10, okay. And
Nothing
I
that-
count down
yeah.
every minute until it's over.
Don't worry, nothing.
차 온다.
You get go.
여기?
가 그냥 계속 가.
가?
go out. You go out first.
여기 차
이렇게.
차 2개 있는데.
아씨.
잠깐만.
That way, go that way. 저기로 가. 그냥.
알았어.
이쪽에 붙어야지 너가.
알았어.
Here, wait here.
Just I saw the second car and then I got nervous.
You go first, okay? It's the same when you go into a lift. Inside out first, yeah? Inside
yeah.
people come
Which
out
way do I
first,
turn?
okay?
Okay. Which
There was car baby.
I thought they.
Yeah, you have to check. Before you go, you check first and go, okay? Don't go first and check.
At the roundabout, take
Okay.
the first exit.
I think it's almost here. Yeah, here.
여기.
Okay, go.
That felt longer than 10 minutes. 왜?
Turn off the engine. What you have to do when you park the car? Baby, when you have to do something, when you're driving, something happen, then don't just be, I can't do that. Generally, when you're driving, you always like, oh baby, I can't do that. I can't, what should I do? Like, driving is not just driving. You have to think a lot. You have to think what you're gonna do if something happen. Yeah.
알아.
If you just stop and I can't do it, then what? Who gonna help you?
No one. I was scared. I was really scared. 운전하기 싫어.
Then what are you gonna do? See, he's even laughing at you.
Shut up. It's not laughing at me. 알았어. I know. Just I'm gonna keep practicing, but it's just scary. That's all. I just feel scared, so that's why it's hard for me to drive.
I told you so many times. Don't be just like, like that.
What's
That's you.
그거 뭐야?
You.
That's not what I sound like. You guys are probably wondering, where did we drive to today? So we actually came to go hiking again. I think this is the walking track that we're planning on doing.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so let's go down here first because I saw some kangaroos over here. And then after that we can do like the proper walking track. 어때?
캥거루 어디 있어?
캥거루 여기 있었는데.
네.
뭐야?
우와,
어디 갔어?
어디 갔어?
있었어. 여기 있었어. 야. 아니 진짜? Let's walk up there. Maybe the kangaroos are going for a bit of a walk. There was a monitor lizard.
어디?
Big one.
어디?
Like up there, but you're too late. It's gone into the brush now. You can't see it. 나 따라와.
What did you say?
따라와.
따라와?
따라와.
Ah, okay. I thought you said 나 더러워.
아니. 따라와.
캥거루 없나 봐.
있어. 진짜.
저기 있다. 야, 저기 있다. 저기 도망해.
See?
뭐야 저거?
I told you. Don't get too close. They can be dangerous.
엄청 커.
이거 진짜 빨라.
진짜 빨라?
진짜 빨라. And they have really, really sharp claws.
와, 씨.
Can you take a photo of me with the lizard?
오케이.
아,
도망갔어, 너 때문에.
어디가? 놀고 싶었어.
아니, 근데 캥거루는 어디 간 거야?
캥거루 아마 저기 있어. But we can't go there. Too much brush.
가자.
It's okay. I'm sure we're gonna find more kangaroos on our hike.
알았어.
Oh, there's kangaroos everywhere in Australia.
아, 나 왜 이렇게 벌써 힘들지?
Who's the 힘들어?
어.
What? I'm even the one who drove us.
Yeah,
How are you
maybe
tired?
that's why.
Yeah.
There's a big mullet.
Oh wow.
와, 뭐야? 미쳤네.
But you know, we came here to hike, not to fish. So. 가자.
와, 괜찮은데 여기? 다음에 여기 낚시하러 올까 그냥?
다음에.
피크닉. 낚시가 아니고 피크닉.
알았어. 다음에.
여기 이렇게 멋있잖아. 다리도 이렇게 있고.
이거 뭐야? 갑자기. I thought it was a real lizard. It's just a statue.
내 말을 하나도 안 듣구나. 그래. 알았어. 가자.
Bridge.
그 내가 아까 다리 얘기했는데 내 말을 그냥 아예 안 듣는구나.
이거 흔들 다리 아니야.
그래.
뭐 얘기했어?
아니 아무 얘기는 안 했어.
뭐 얘기했어? 말해봐. 말해봐
I
빨리.
already.
야 친구야. 조심해.
알았어.
무슨 얘기?
아니 I already say everything.
무슨 얘기했어? 난 몰랐어.
아니 listen. Okay, listen now. Shut up. Listen. I already told you so many things, but you never listen to me, and now you. What did you say?
I was just looking around. This is interesting.
This is why I'm so tired.
Let's take a rest on the rock here, drink some water, and then we can keep going.
힘들었어?
힘들었어. 당연하지. 오늘 진짜 더워.
여기 앉아. 그러니까 내가 바다 가자 했잖아 오늘.
It's too cold for the beach. It's hot, but it's not hot enough for the beach.
알았어.
Beach weather must be at least 35 degrees.
뭐 싸왔어?
물 그리고 뮤슬리 바.
여기 새똥이 묻었냐?
언제 했어 임마? 야.
이거.
이것도 있지. That's much comfier. 야.
뮤슬리바 어디다 놨어?
뮤슬리 여기 있어.
이거밖에 안 가져왔어? 집에 수박 있는데.
근데 we were gonna go to the cafe, but we can't go to the cafe anymore because cafe is closed. 점점점 할래? 점점점.
그래.
가위바위보.
가위바위보. 한다. Only left, right, okay?
No up.
No up,
알았어. Left, right, or straight?
no straight.
Only left, right? 알았어.
한다. 참.
다시 해봐.
참. 가위바위보.
What? No.
지금 가위바위보 해야지.
가위바위보.
오케이. 참. 참. 나 그만할래. 재미없어.
한 번 더 하자.
It was my turn, so I can stop. You only can stop on your turn. 여기 어디지?
몰라. Why did you take us off the trail? 진짜. This is how people get lost in the bush and die.
You're not gonna die. Don't worry.
I don't know why. I was just randomly following Jace.
No,
guys.
I was following you.
I was following you, and then I was like, Jace, this isn't the trail. He was like, yeah, it is. This is the trail. And then it just led us to a cliff edge.
It's here. See?
You walked right past the
No,
trail.
hey, I was following you. What are you talking about?
How could you be following me if I was following you?
Okay, go after you.
세상에.
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 I think you're so smart.
왜 갑자기? What the heck?
Okay, let's keep going. 가자.
너 진짜 조심해.
알았어. This time when you're driving, I'm not gonna say anything, okay? Unless you do really, really bad.
알았어.
Is it better?
좋아. Yeah. Because sometimes I'm about to do something, but then you tell me to do it before I get the chance to do it. So then I get annoyed. So. 힘들었어.
힘들었지?
What do you want to eat for dinner?
I don't know. Whatever you cook.
Whatever I cook.
어.
I cooked breakfast.
Yeah. So
What are you gonna cook?
whatever you cook.
진짜?
어.
뭐 요리할 거야?
아니 아무거나
조심해. 뭐 요리할 거야?
가위바위보 하자.
I always lose.
가위바위보. 참참참 할래?
아니. 가위 준비.
준비했어.
가위바위보.
아니 너 늦게 했잖아.
아니 이거 보.
아니 너 늦었잖아.
You were 가위. I was wrong.
You were late.
아니, I broke your scissors. Now cook something for me. 빨리. 잘하고 있어.